How are we doing, folks? You okay? And welcome in for another video.
Wow, look at
Where are we today?
Truck show. Have a look at the truck. Not at the toilets.
Brought little man over to his very first truck show over at Haydock, the Great Northwest Truck Show, and quite impressed by somebody straight away. Now that is an absolutely belter. That's so cool. I absolutely love the American style trucks. A lot of chrome. Go on, bud. Do you want to take a picture with it? Look at that artwork. Got a good bag and ugly on the back. Over here we've got a nice DAF. So Leanne's just noticed something. So we got engaged last year in Hastings.
A year ago today.
At the site of the Battle of Hastings, and this is like the second truck that we come across, which is pretty weird. And it looks really nice. And it's a year ago to the day. Do you want to have a look at the trucks? Come on, buddy. Kelly's Dreams. Oh, that's a memorial one, isn't it? Kelly's Dream.
Oh yeah.
So that one must be the show truck for Creamy Crete. Nice paint on it. Got another nice Scania. 660S. Which way do you want? I like the chrome on the wheels as well, I've seen it. Sorry if the wind's getting in the way, it's quite windy today. That's a nice one, isn't it? Classic. Got a lowrider one. Oh my god, it'd be a nightmare going over speed bumps. Dreading it every time. Yeah, it's Scania S650T. I wouldn't like to drive them in the UK though. Being honest, I admire them, but I wouldn't like to drive it in the UK. Another Scania. And another one. Some Richard Kings. Do like the grille on the front though. That's that one, a Volvo. Paula Jane. A DAF. Oh, I love the exhaust on the sides. Absolutely spotless, aren't they? Every single one of these. Another nice Scania. I love the detail on the airbrushing. It's real nice. Good old green and red with the chrome, always looks nice, doesn't it? Let me know in the comments as well, what's your favourite truck that you've seen on this video as well? And did you visit the festival today? It reminds me of the old style fire engines, this one. You've got to love the classics, haven't you? So these are E. Howard and Sons. You feel like you're going through time, don't you, for each one, getting newer and newer. There's a TikToker, Angry Dave. That's his truck. Yeah, seems quite a lot of TikTokers what are here today as well. You've got Paul Stewart, seeing him over there, Angry Dave, his truck's there as well. These are real nice Scanias there actually. Only Fools and Horses, Live and Let Die. J. Davidson have always had good trucks, don't they? I've seen them driving around quite a few times. zoom out a little bit. That face is a bit off though. But yeah, it's great detail there on Uncle Albert and Rodney. That was a James Bond style with the artwork. There's Daniel Craig, classic Aston Martin. You got Terminator. Go on, buddy. Oh, that is cool. That is so cool, the artwork. Got a Die Hard truck, Samuel Jackson on the side. There's the copper. Bruce Willis on the side. First time being on a fairground ride. We're unsure about how we're going to be with it. Seems to be plenty here for the kids as well. We've got all these little amusement arcades, you've got dodgems there, little rides, and our little man trying his second ride ever on our little train. Albie! Albie! Last time we tried him on something like this, he freaked out straight away, so I'm really proud of him actually, staying on. Wow, Albie! There's the old style police car. Get that, Albie. Here we got the Haydock Scania. Man the legend, what? Do it. Oh, the old Hayyups. Your Royal Mail would have made an appearance. Got a couple of Scanias. Got some here from JR No Transport. And the P. O'Connor. At least the weather's held it up for us as well. Got the Manchester Breakdown Services, along with Total Smart Solutions. I love the colour of that as well, that looks really cool. Reminds me of a toy car I used to have as a kid, when you get more bright greens and bright oranges. Got the Game of Thrones Class 2 truck, with the Hayab. Smile! Got the DAF 530 XG model. Lovely chrome and red. Personally, if I was having a trot, I would do chrome and red. They go real nice together, don't they? You got the Man of Steel. Barry Proctor. That's a smart one. So this is my first truck fest as well as Little Man's and Leanne's, but it's going to be first of many, I think. It's been a really nice day out so far. Other than the wind and rain coming through, but it's held off for today. Little Man's got his own little truck as well, haven't you? That is definitely something I want to go on. That was so cool. Gotta love a monster truck, haven't you? Say that, I think he stalled it though. showed you a little bit earlier on the back of the Man of Steel one. Henry Cavill there, looks so cool. Really good detail there on the artwork. Another Harry Potter one. Anything on the back? Oh, it's got the express train. I think they're getting ready as well to do a strongman pull on one of the trucks.
Are we all ready? Can we give them a big cheer? Let's pump it up. Let's bounce up and down. Here they come.
Gamrius from Ireland. That's a nice one. Smile. Hiya. Lovely colour scheme there. Stuart Nichols. What? Highland Care. I've got to say this is probably one of my favourite ones because that is my favourite colour, and if I had my own truck I'd probably do it in a style like this. Just looks so smart. Kawasaki green, doesn't it, for the bikes? Lovely chrome wheels as well. Scania V8. So smart. I bet some of these trucks will be an absolute nightmare to try and keep clean every day. Some more Scanias. Seems to be a popular one of the show, doesn't it? Love the chrome on them. Like you say, it must take so long to get them this clean and this shiny. Even for the fifth wheel cover as well. Really, really nice. Oh, that is what you call a nice lowrider. So nice. Detail. Suicide Squad. You have a look at the back of them, haven't you? Nice little camper van there, and I absolutely love the detail on that lion. There's the back door for it. Oh, that's even better. YouTube. No. Yeah. Come on. There's the TikTokers. Oh no, Scania. I would not like to drive them in the UK though, I still stick by that. That's what you call a low rider on a truck. Bloody lovely though. Fit both from Scotland, them ones. Oh, the awards. overall, it's been a really nice family day out. So if it's ever in Haydock again, be sure to pop on down. Well worth it with the family.
I liked it. And I'm not a trucker.
I was quite surprised at that. Little man's loved it as well that much, he's fell asleep.
No, he did like it. He's had a whale of a time.
I know, but I mean, in a good way.
Yeah,
I mean, in a good way, he's fell asleep.
He had a bit of a moment. He needs to go to sleep. And then he'd wake up and want to go back on the fare, so it's going to cost him another 20 quid.
Yeah, fares are really expensive though. It's like $2.50 a ride. And you know what kids are like? They want to carry on riding and riding. Just a classic American one. I just wouldn't feel confident driving it in the UK though. Especially some of the delivery points that you got to go to. You've seen on my video channel normally. We get some tight areas we've got to get into, but look at them. So that's pretty much everything done there. We've seen a lot of trucks. Overall, like I say, it's been a really good day out. So thank you very much for watching. If you did enjoy the video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.
I'm going to go get a McDonald's.
And yeah, we'll go get Mackey's for dinner, because why not? It's the healthy thing to do on a Sunday for your dinner, right? Kind of forgot where we're parked. They were probably... There's so many cars. Yeah, we're on this row. Down here somewhere. Should be down here, I think. No. But yeah, if you did go to the show in Haydock, let me know. What were your thoughts on it? Did you enjoy it? We did.
It wasn't this far.
We were.
I don't know where we parked.
And yeah, I'll see you again next time. I found it. It's there.
Where?